sunshine. Yeah. Hi there again, YouTube. It's been really long since the last video, like 7 months or something. And I'm sorry about that. There's a couple of reasons for that. First being, I was really busy building the interior refit thing for this boat that I didn't have the time to edit. I was going straight from work to the boat and working like 12 to 16, 18 hours a day. And but I did shoot a lot of footage during the winter when I was building this, but I didn't edit at all. Some point I started thinking that maybe I'm gonna film it maybe I'm gonna do it like a kind of a sum up thing once everything is about ready, almost ready, like now. The second reason for not editing stuff was that most of the time I was not sure what I was doing and was it the best way to do the stuff. So I did a lot of stuff again and again, and like on the third time I got it almost right. Not perfect, but that was enough for me. And after I got this launch, the boat, we took a long vacation. We saved for 2 weeks, and after that I started my other job, and because of that I had to fix my car, and that took like a week or 2 or something. And but the good thing is everything is okay. I'm fine. There's nothing to worry about. I just didn't get stuff done on the YouTube side. In here I had a lot of stuff, and I spent many hours, like hundreds of hours doing this. Maybe a bit too long. I'm really happy at that. I got few emails from some of you that you were a little bit concerned that there was something wrong, what has happened. It made me really happy to know that there are people who care about me and my life that much to send me an email. I'm sorry I haven't even looked at the my YouTube profile or the comments or anything like that. I kind of took a also break from the social media stuff. That's including the Facebook. I haven't used Facebook for a long time. Once a week I go and check if there's something boat related or something like that, but I don't post at all there almost anymore. At some point it's starting to feel that it's too much stuff happening and you want to take a break of all that. So my apologies for taking this long to show you again stuff that I've done with my boat. So what do you say? Let's get started. Hi, how are you? I'm good. So today I'm gonna show you some of the plans that I'm gonna do with the interior of this boat, the rebuild, refit. Weeport is gonna be, so there's gonna be a big structural thing over here, kind of like a new bulkhead that's gonna support it better than it was before. So there's gonna be the dining table set up. It's gonna be a table over there, the seats. So in here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend the sink table over there about 50 centimeters and put the new fridge slash freezer over there. Also, I'm gonna make a new sink and alcohol burner on the remaining part of the table. On the starboard side, after the fridge, there's gonna be a bench about 1 meter long. It's gonna end where the rebirth starts. There might be a backrest that is gonna be, you can lift it up and make it kind of like a shelf for storing stuff or small human babies to sleep in. And on the port side, there's gonna be the wall, and behind that is gonna be the head. Today, I went to the hardware store and got a lot of wood. So, oh yeah, that's just the charger telling me that it's ready to charge the battery. But yeah, got a lot of wood. So these I'm gonna use for the structure, the kind of a skeleton of what I'm gonna do in here. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna, once I know where I'm gonna put the plywood, I'm gonna go and buy the plywood, because the sheets are gonna be that big that I'm not gonna fit it in here. I have to store them outside, and there's a lot of snow and might be some rain, so I have to cover them up. And yeah, the plan is to make everything ready inside here, and I got all the measurements, well, not all, but most of the measurements, so I can start cutting the plywood once I get it in here, so I don't have to store them that long on the outside. Let's go through the layout that I'm gonna build to my boat. So here is the old layout. I got rid of the table a few years ago, but there's the sink, and here was the burner, but then my fridge was over here. The rest was as it was, yeah. So, but this is the new one. So here's gonna be the dining table and the seats over here, and this was originally like a big bench over here, and there's the rebirth, and the head is on the port side. Well, this is mirror image because the original plan was, yeah, the other way around, but I made it a mirror because it's easier for me to keep the sink on the starboard side. So this was the starting point, but now I'm gonna keep the sink over here. There's gonna be the sink, and then there's gonna be a alcohol burner on next to that. And I'm gonna keep that, and that is basically the same thing than over here, the old one. But I'm gonna extend that and also extend the tabletop and make a freezer over here. The head is gonna be here. I might make the head a little bit bigger to here or something like that, but I'm not sure. This should be a little over 2 meters, like 210 about here. So it should get enough room for me to sleep. Not sure when I'm gonna put the black water tank, probably over here or under this seat over here. The batteries are gonna be the 4 batteries that I'm gonna use mostly with my motor, or well, just for the motor. There's gonna be 2 under this seat over here, maybe this way or the other way, and 2 under these seats over here. Then I got the 3 more, the 2 small ones that are 24 volt. They're probably gonna be here, and the big 12 volt battery is gonna be, well, under here somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put that, but yeah. So that's basically it. Put your thumbs up if you like, and subscribe, and yeah, the stuff. See you on the next one. Bye bye.